Oh no. Chicken! I've recorded this twice. This is my second time. The first time, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. The audio is so freaking loud, bro. Like you could barely hear me when the song is playing. But yeah, we got it this time. Trust. Yep. Let's get to the game. Okay. I'm back. China, 1997. There's an ancient prophecy that people fear a lot, written by Chinese monk on top of a mountain. The prophecy says that when the sky is red, it is forbidden to kill a chicken, otherwise a curse will fall on the person. A being will come from hell and will kill those who eat the chicken, unleashing evil in our world. We live thousands of years in peace, but someone was a chicken killer. Ah! Who is that? Oh my God, this is fire. Is that me? Let's go. Okay. Hold on, let me fix this PS2. Oh yeah, we got the noodles. Dog food. Oh! We got lobster, chicken, sausage, egg. Wait, I thought we couldn't eat chicken though. Wait, what are we doing here? What is this? Okay, we got a dumpster. I can hide? Okay, that's not a good sign at all. Oh. Let me just get your ramen here. I'm freaking buy my ramen. I have noodles. Noodles. Chicken, crayfish, chicken. Oh, whoa! Don't be walking up in here like that. You even have footsteps. Ramen 1. Noodle, egg, chicken. Alright, how do I... Over here. Alright. Noodle, egg, chicken. Boom! You don't look very happy, my friend. Personal problem, friend. Life is hard. Tell me this, Courage. Your ramen is delicious. You have great potential as a chicken. Thank you. Have a good night, friend. Good night. Yeah, give me that Ah! Get out of my store. Get out! Frick you, weirdo. Slurping ramen. Not even. This is noodles. What? You didn't even. He swallowed the whole bone in the egg. With the noodles, too. Nah, we can't be having that around here. Gosh. Okay, so. Yeah, I know it's been a while. But we're recording one now, so. Be happy. This is mic I have right now. It's okay. Oh, back up! Who is... Okay, old man. Why are you smiling? What? Ramen 2? Noodle, chicken, sausage, salad. I don't think we got salad. Noodle, chicken, sausage. Oh, salad. There's not salad. Here you go, sir. Hard night, dude. I'm tired of working here, too. This looks like a very good place to work. I am a Minecraft streamer, but this doesn't make me money. But that doesn't make me this doesn't make me money. That's why I have to work here at night. Streamer? I still prefer the delicious chicken you make. Good night, friend. Good night to you too, sir. Not. Get out! Get out! Get out! Now! Unless you're gonna do it to me.
What do you mean by that?
Pause. Pause. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that at all. Number. Hold on. What are you wearing? You got booty shorts on. Yeah, I don't judge. Hey, Captain, I'm starving. Hey, man, don't worry. I took care of your ramen. Thank you, friend. You, without a doubt, makes the best chicken in town. Enjoy your food. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, man. See you later. I'll see you later, too. Alright, let me just go. Oh. This town is weird. No wonder I should have stuck with Minecraft 3D. I should have stuck with streaming Minecraft, bro. Oh yeah, I don't even like doing this because like it's annoying. And I know it's annoying, but like and subscribe. This is like you gotta like and subscribe, bro. You wanna see more videos? Trust. I've learned some new techniques while editing videos. And trust. Why are you just always right out? I can't. Yo, sir, I can't serve no more chicken. I can't serve chicken. Vic. Friend, how are you? Hey, Vic, what do you need? I want a delicious ramen with extra bit of chicken. We're low on chicken. I'll need to kill one more chicken. Can you wait a bit? You can't kill any chickens today, my friend, because the sky's red. What the? What is? Monk, are you yourself? I'm a big fan. What was this flying freak? What the? I have to come to inform you that tonight we're going to be killing chicken. The sky's red. If you do this, something very bad is coming. I'm sorry, Monk, but I need to do my job. I don't believe in these things. I warned you, Captain. You choose. By the way, you're not a good. Okay, you can get out of my shop now. I'm leaving. Goodbye. You just fuck. What are you gonna think? I'm really hungry, man. The monk appeared to warn you. That's. I love. Don't worry about it. I'm going to kill another chicken. I don't want to kill another chicken, bro. If I kill another chicken, I'm gonna be in very bad trouble. We'll take you. Sorry, little buddy. Wait. What if I just... I'm sorry. This is for Vic. I know you're... no, I'm not... Oh. No, I'm not tripping. Okay, we got more chicken. Let it cook up, my boy. Ramen 4. It just cooked up like that? Noodle, chicken, egg, sausage, salad. Okay. Noodle, chicken, egg, salad. Here you go, my boy. Thanks, friend. You saved my life with this delicious chicken. I'm just doing my job, Vic. Enjoy your ramen. Aren't you afraid of the monk's head? No, man. This story is to scare children. I need to go now. See you later. Why would children be killing chickens? Not you too, Vic. I'm gonna have to.
2,000 years later.
Come get your ramen. Come get your ramen here. Yo, I don't think anybody wants ramen. I hear the wind. Let me just. What the freak? Is it raining? Oh, it's raining. Okay. Let me just. Shoot! It started to rain. Now there's no more customers. Oh! Is the prophecy real? Is the prophecy real? You should have listened to the monk. A monk that literally farted in here. Saving. Why is this? Oh no. Chicken! You shouldn't have killed that chicken! What? Oh! Chicken buddy! I didn't mean to kill your little son. I didn't mean to kill your son. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry! Wait, is that the axe? Can I kill him? Wait, no. Chicken, I'm sorry. Go. Okay. Let's go. And now I have to call Vic. He'll know what to do. Why would Vic know what to do? He literally asked me. Oh, it's the monk! Wise monk. I'm okay. I warned you. Monk, please, help me! I'm hideous! I'm trying to help you. I told you not to kill that chicken. Please, that little chicken's going to kill me. Frick. Ha ha ha. I really like floating around and talking to you. Wow. You know what? Yeah, you're banned for the shows for you. Oh, we gotta call Vic. It doesn't work. Do you like to eat chicken? So today I'm gonna be eating you. No. No. No! No! Oh! Vic! Choice? Summon the monk, use the power of the chicken? Face the chicken killer, escape in third person. Oh no, we're facing... We lost the real one today. But it's gonna be doing the video. Oh, so